right, welcome to Partnerhub version 2. I'm Alex, the founder and CEO, and I'll do a short demo for you to get you used to some of these features. The way I like to describe Partnerhub is a matchmaking marketplace for partnerships with PRM features. We're categorized as an ecosystem management platform, but what really separates us is the fact that all of these profiles are actual users of Partnerhub. They're not a scraped database and put together for you to organize and use as an internal database management system. It is very much you connecting with other users of Partnerhub and formalizing your partnership, whichever that is. It could be a co-marketing relationship, it could be a co-selling relationship, an affiliate or referral only relationship, all of the above. And go-to-market orchestration can happen once you do connect and form these relationships with other users of Partnerhub. One other thing that makes us very unique in this space is that we are used by top digital agencies. These are some of the best and brightest service providers of the world. Marketing mainly, development is big for us, software development, web development. We have a lot of RevOps agencies, and they are users of Partnerhub, meaning they come in here to find new partners to manage their relationship. One of the reasons we built Partnerhub originally was because our agencies were complaining, the agencies in our community, were complaining that they were constantly being pulled into different portals to manage a relationship with that specific tech. So if you're a tech company watching this, that means essentially the old way of partner relationships management, maybe the current way for some of you, is find a tool that you're going to use internally, try to get your agencies to register for the tool so they can submit referrals into the tool, but that is the only relationship they have with that software, is logging in to see who they've referred and what the status of that referral is. Some of them go as far as paying the commissions. Our platform in this version does not track affiliate commissions. That is important to understand. Some of you may stop right there and say, well, that is the essential function of a PRM. No, it is not. New and better and more progressive PRMs these days are actually not building the features for commission tracking and payout. And a lot of that is due to the fact that partners are not affiliates. Affiliates are unknowns. They're YouTubers and people that just add your links to a marketplace or a blog post to get some commissions if someone clicks through and converts. That is a marketing campaign. That's why they call it affiliate marketing. And there are plenty of great platforms out there that track affiliate commissions, and they're under the keyword affiliate marketing and affiliate tracking solutions. Anyways, let's get into the meat of this platform. So you join Partnerhub, you're immediately dumped into the dashboard. The dashboard has some widgets here for you to just see what the status of the ecosystem is for you, how many partners you have at what stages, what new partner recommendations are there for you, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second, as well as some overall ecosystem data points. Some of you may want to build partnerships in a certain region. This map is interactive. You can see how many partners you have in each region and go ahead and click into it, which goes straight to that region filter in the marketplace. And you can start requesting partners by region if that's a valuable thing for you. Referrals sent and received and statuses of the referrals. So again, we do track referrals. We don't track commission and payouts. We do have a Stripe Connect integration coming. This is recorded July 14th. That will allow you to pay out partners and send commissions and market development funds on a drip schedule or in one lump sum. For example, if you wanted to spiff a salesperson at Partner LimeSpot, well, you can do that through Partnerhub and track all of those amounts and budgets, etc. So the first thing you want to do, you log in, check your recommendations. Okay, these are the partners in Partnerhub, the actual users, of Partnerhub that sell to the same customer profile as you. Now, we have a number of indicators of customer profile overlap. That is the services you sell versus the services that a tech company enables. the ecosystem that you sell into, the size of customers that you sell to, and the vertical that you sell to. That is in today's version. We have more of those coming, and you'll be able to get very granular with the matchmaking algorithm, or as wide as you want, and set your own specs there. So you can request partnership. That sends a request to LimeSpot, and a custom message of your choice can be put into the administrative settings, so you can make sure that all of those partners get a nice friendly, hey, how are you? And this is what their profile looks like at this stage. Notice they have not accepted the partnership request. The stage could be vetting. These are preloaded stages that we've added for you. In case you don't have your own ideas, you can also add new stages. That is meant to map to CRM. So if you have stages of partnership in a CRM pipeline, you'll want to match these with those stages. Projects, we've added some for you. You can add your own. Projects start after your partnership begins. So when you start conversing about your partnership with LimeSpot, you want to go ahead and add a memo, or memorandum is what we call it. This feature is going to be developed into your contract creation feature, so you'll be able to set your objectives. What did we promise each other? What's going to happen with our relationship as it progresses this quarter, this year, this month, whatever, and who's doing what and when. So that if I'm a partner manager, I can have a conversation with LimeSpot, but as I'm having that conversation, maybe my partner marketing manager has logged a memo for a promised shared event that you're going to collaborate on. So I know that that's going to happen. There are often tasks here as well, so you can assign a task to a partner based on a project. Soon, automated tasks based on projects, so you don't have to create a project and then repeat the same tasks. For example, if I want to co-sell with a partner, maybe I want to create a task to book a call with my head of sales. And that is something I do with all partners as a next step. That's going to be a task automation. The tasks feature, a cool thing about this, you can assign a task to your partner or an internal team member. That's an important feature once you have a partnership connection. Notice I can't assign a task to someone at LimeSpot because I am not currently an accepted partner of LimeSpot. After you've done your suggested matches sort of overview, head over to the marketplace and check out some new partners in the marketplace. The top left will be where the newest users are. Notice there is an interest credits countdown up here. I have 4 left. You get 10 per week. If you are a paid user, that goes up to, I believe, 25 per week. And that is an actual indicator that I've expressed interest in this other user, and that user can then request partnership if they agree that it is a fit. Vertical filters, customer size filters, ecosystem filters, country filters, core service filters. Run those, see who shows up. If you do not have a connection, it'll say no connection, and you can go ahead and send the request if you believe it is a fit. Partner management, task documents, referrals, like I mentioned, everything you need to manage a partnership. Oftentimes I get laundry list requests of features from different, mainly tech or organization representatives that have on them things like LMS, learning management systems, community, obviously affiliate tracking, commissions. What I say to those individuals typically is, well, first, what are you trying to do with these partners, and who are those partners? And they'll say, oh, well, we're just trying to get them to refer business. I say, okay, well then tell me this. Are they coming to you demanding to get an accreditation and get closer to you as a community member? Oftentimes that will be a no, and they are just kind of trying to fill a knee-jerk feature reaction, essentially saying, I know that these are things that big partner ecosystems have. I need those as well. One thing that I do want to stress to all of the people looking at Partnerhub, is that 99, probably 95, 99% of you will never have that large ecosystem approach that warrants an LMS and accreditations and large market development funds. If you are, great. We have a enterprise product that you can scale with, but for 95% of you, we are building the features that you will need and actually use, that your partners need and use. The other aspect that's super important to understand is if you are creating an internal portal that your partners are going to feel obligated, meaning not need to log into for their own business. Their business is customer centric. They're focused on sales and customer support and projects with those customers. They are not partnerships people typically, unless you're talking about integrations partnerships. And even then, those are not going to be referral partners. So what you really need to support a program is here. You'll see a directory feature as well. I'll talk about that in a minute. But let's talk about the activation features. Live Offers is a syndication feature for tech users. This is a tech user account. Agency users have opportunities. Both features go out to agencies in the ecosystem if approved by admin. This is a part of our free feature set. Again, everything you see here is under the free umbrella, which is pretty cool. Offer title, what's exciting about this offer, who is it for? If I select B2B and IT, it'll go to B2B and IT agencies. It's selected e-commerce now, and I describe the offer. This is typically used for co-marketing collaborations, things that you can do with a certain agency group that will draw them into your calendar, to your ecosystem, to your community, to whatever it is. And then they will know you, do their own research, and then of course the next stage of that conversation is, well, you guys have a partner program and a great product, and you do these great co-marketing endeavors with agencies like mine. I'd like to do more of those. I'm going to book a time to talk about partnerships, and it progresses from there. Oftentimes, partner managers will just go straight into a conversation with a new agency and say, here's our product, here's our partner program, do you want in? And the agency's going to be like, well, I'm pretty busy right now, I don't need any more technology. And unless my client has suggested I look at you, or another agency friend of mine has strongly suggested I look into you, I'm probably going to say I'm too busy. But what I'm not too busy for is backlinks, traffic to my site, potential customers by way of me getting in front of your clients, thought leadership. That's the kind of stuff I kind of have to do as an agency operator to maintain my status and my expertise in the ecosystem. So put something in here that's valuable and attractive, and then we can get together on that. If you're an agency, this will say opportunities, and it allows you to submit project opportunities or generate your own co-marketing projects with other agencies in the ecosystem. Circles I can't show you yet. That's coming soon. The directory I can show you. It's part of our free product as well. You pull in partners that have formed connections, whoever you want to show in your directory. I can add all my partners or select them one at a time. And I can enable or disable the partner from displaying in the directory. I set up my own custom subdomain and call to action, logo, and description. Very simple, very straightforward. It's just a directory that allows you to tell your partners, hey, I'm going to showcase you to my customers through a link on my footer or hopefully top nav bar. And your customers can then find partners by vertical ecosystem services they sell. And then, of course, you can say, hey, look how good you look on our directory, or maybe you're not up there. Would you like to be there? And we'll go ahead and add you to our directory if you join our partner program. It's an incentive. It's one of those attractive things that a lot of partners like to see on websites. So now here's one for you. Now let's talk about premium features. Premium features are coming every week over the next forever. We have a plan that is currently selling for $200 per month. That is going to go up, and it includes a lot. This is just some of the stuff that is included in the premium plan. If you'd like to discuss it, you can book some time with us in this calendar and see if it is right for you. I believe that is it. some things I didn't mention on here that I think are common sense. Yes, you can invite your own partners. Yes, you can invite your own team members. I didn't mention that. That's probably an FAQ. Team is here, and if you are an owner of a team, you can actually log in through your team members and see what they are up to in Partnerhub as well. So if you have a new partner manager and you feel like they are asleep at the wheel, not really taking advantage, you can check that out and make sure they're doing what they need to do inside of Partnerhub. We have a feature coming soon for a vacation mode, so you'll be able to not only disable notifications if you'd like, but go on vacation, which means pull you out of the marketplace so that you can't get those requests for a period of time. One other thing I think is worth mentioning, because I think it's pretty cool, it is mobile friendly. It works on any screen size. So you can, and I suggest this, save app.partnerhub.app to your mobile device, and then while you're on the bus doing whatever you're doing away from your computer, you can log into the marketplace or go to new matches is probably the easiest way, and send some partnership requests. One thing to note here is you see these blurry, no agency name profiles. That's because in Partnerhub, if you're a tech user, you do not see agency name or logo until after they approve a request that you've sent. So you can register interest, which will take your credits down, but you can do that, and they have to then send the request out. But the register of interest does show them that, hey, I'm interested, and they can see your full profile, and they respond accordingly. That's that. Please definitely reach out to me in Slack is ideal, and post any questions that you have to any of the chat areas that you see on the website or on in Slack, and get in and join us in there. You can apply for your profile today. Again, there is a free version. It is an application process, and the reason for that is a lot of you, unfortunately, are not ready for partnerships, and we do not display profiles for companies that aren't ready for partnerships. Ready, if you're curious, means as a tech company, you have product market fit, you've got partnership demand, and we have a few ways of looking at that, as well as you are open for partnerships. On the agency side, we let most agencies in. It's very rare that we don't, but sometimes we have to stop agencies that are really trying to peddle a SaaS product in our marketplace. They are not trying to find partners for their agency. So we look at that as you can potentially be a user on the SaaS, on the tech side, but agencies that have software products they're trying to sell usually do not get in. Outside of that, it's really just, do you have a LinkedIn profile for your company, a LinkedIn company page? Do you have a website? Does it seem like you're doing services, maybe a couple customer testimonials on the site, and we will let you in as an agency. Where we are not in today's version, we're not in HR tech, fintech, health tech. I had a software platform that works with local municipalities to do something with the government. So that could be government tech. We are not in those ecosystems. However, if you are interested in those ecosystems, please reach out. We are looking at going into those very shortly in a few different ways. Now, if you got to the end and you believe, oh, that's cool, but I need customization, I need more, and I need my own ecosystem management platform, meaning I would like to be Partnerhub, and I would like to invite the two sides of my ecosystem. This is for the HubSpots, the Shopifys, the Salesforces of the world. They want their own ecosystem management. This is, in fact, an ecosystem management framework that you can license, and we can discuss that. Please let me know if you have any questions. Find me somewhere, and we'll get in touch and get on a call if needed. Otherwise, please submit an application. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this. I'm Alex again, and we'll see you inside.